Hi everybody, today I'm going to introduce you. This is Gretchen, and she's going to show us her little Shasta compact. And what year is it, Gretchen?
It's 67.
All right, and tell me about when you got it. Did you have to do a lot of work?
My grandpa owned it originally, and it's it for about 35 years, wasn't used, and it was completely rotten. And we redid it, me and my daddy redid it, and built back everything new inside, and now it's just as good as it was new.
It looks really good. Now, are they the original wings?
Yep, original wings, new paint, Ford Wimbledon white, if it matters.
Yeah, it's like a cream color.
Yeah.
So I'm close up here. I can't get back any further because she has her clam up here. So I did want to show you this. Let me show the front a little bit. So is this new skin or just new paint?
Just new paint.
Okay,
New
and I noticed that she's got her propane tank painted like a moonshine jug. That's a cute idea. All right, so take us inside and show us. I love this camper because it's very rustic. So she's a crafter and she makes her own signs. And did you do this sign down here too?
Yes.
So it's very retro. All right. Look at this, guys. So none of this is original, right? You put all this new wood in?
Right.
Okay. And did you have to redo the whole inside?
Yes. Except parts of the bed. Parts of the bed are still original wood, but all the exterior stuff.
I need you to talk a little louder. Okay. So is the stove still there? Do you use the stove?
The top works, but the oven does not work.
Okay. And up there you've got a toaster oven. And then the fridge, you added that in because they came with an ice box, right?
Right. It was
Okay.
avocado green.
And you have a potty closet.
I do, but no problem. Well,
It's just a,
Yeah,
she has a luggable loo.
yes.
All right, and over here is the bed. Look how cute this is. So I know sometimes people say that I need to back up. Well, this camper is 10 feet long, so I can't back up. My backside is leaning against this counter in the kitchen. So I will take some still shots and that'll show it a little better, and I'll put those in at the end. So you've added a TV in here, and that's on a swivel arm.
Yep.
Yep. And the shelf to put your stuff. That's good use of space. You've got those racks in there. Now, this goes into a dinette, right?
It does.
And this is your cushions here?
Yes.
Okay, and that's the table. Isn't that neat? So she just brought this out for you to be able to see it, and that's how it connects. And then I'm guessing there's the thing on the floor where the pole goes right there.
Yep.
And then it slides out like a gaucho to make the double bed.
Yep.
Very cute. So she's got some awesome accessories in here. Does it have air conditioning?
No.
No air conditioning. No. Okay. All right. So there you go, everybody. I will do some still shots and show you some better pictures here if I can get them from further away. So stay tuned for that. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.